Another day, another Jamaica vlog. Wagwan people, spend the day with me. Today we are washing our hair. I literally woke up at like 6 a.m. this morning to catch that early morning sun so I could wash my hair because I knew I wanted to wash my hair outside. There's just something about being outside, catching that early morning sun, catching that sunrise or the last part of the sunrise, and just hearing the birds and hearing the goats and hearing the chickens. Like, I just wanted to be in nature and wash my hair. And so I catch up some water in my pink bath pan, set up my little washing station, and that is what we are here doing. Now that I'm here in Jamaica, I'm really trying to romanticize the small things like washing my hair and making my coffee and just enjoying the mornings in general. And so I'm taking a step back. That's the thing about Jamaica. You are kind of forced to just slow down because everything is just on island time. Literally, everything is just irie. Everything is just no problem. So I am just taking everything slowly and just easy. And just like that, we are done washing my hair and I am going to sit down in the sun and let it air dry for the rest of the day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!